We all love eating gongura chutney in the Andhra style restaurants. Why not prepare it at our home? It tastes the best with puri, rice, chapati, and it is a great side dish. So let's begin making gongura chutney. Here I have taken a bunch of gongura leaves. It is called as rosal leaves, or in Kannada it is called as pundi soppu. So wash it thoroughly with water and let it dry on a cotton cloth. The rosal or gongura leaves are now dry and ready. Along with these gongura leaves, we will need a big garlic which I have peeled, 8 to 10 green chilies, little jaggery to balance the flavors, half spoon of jeera and salt to taste. So now we will begin with the recipe. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add jeera. Then add the garlic. Once the garlic starts to get slightly golden brown color, you can now add the green chilies. I have taken 8 to 10 green chilies. You can increase or decrease the green chilies as per your taste. Mix well. Once the garlic changes their color and the green chilies are cooked, it is now time to add the gongura leaves. Add the gongura leaves and mix it well. Now it seems full, but soon it will reduce. Mix slowly. You can use 2 spoons to mix these. You can now see that the leaves have almost reduced to half. After a few minutes, now you can see that the leaves are cooked. Now you can switch off the flame. Now let the mixture cool down completely. Once the mixture is cooled, transfer all the mixture into the mixer jar. To this mixture, add jaggery. Gongura leaves are sour, so it is necessary to add jaggery. Then add salt to taste and grind to a smooth paste. Don't add water to this while grinding. And that's it. The gongura chutney is ready. You can now enjoy this with hot rice or chapati. Do try this recipe at your home and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.